Hello guys, I'm Elise and I'll be teaching you how to open your Google Slides in your PC or laptop. So click on the 6 buttons on the right side and click on the slides. Then click on your bank presentation where you'll start a new presentation. And then you can click a theme from your right side. I click this one because it's pretty basic. Then you can write a title and also add a subtitle. Mine is just a sample slide, so I'll just like hello, how are you? And then create a new page with the plus icon. Then write I am good. Thank you. It's just a sample again. Then click on the file button. Firstly, you need to name your presentation anything you like. I've named mine meetings. Then click on the file button. Then click download down. And then you can download as PDF, PPTX. I'm doing this as a PPTX for reference. So this is how you download your Google Slides on your PC or laptop. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. I hope this video was very helpful. It's Elise signing out. Peace.